Monjo mulgereria kurwa samaga chamanene na bwigabi chinenchi ya Ndizi TV nsemo yembasimeye county ya Kisii na ukwanire andonsi ya sobereta simargoba ya bono chinga kichinde kokwarigania semesa ya manganama yenyare gukumanya gati ya reto abreto kokwarigania kurwa sema byalenge ntambe weka chinse chigabono chia bono maragorwa chiara Isato chia bono butuko chitariki ni komunisa tumutinyo kabire omwaka bw'ekiri bubere na 2022 na mange abere ka okolekana bwigo kwegana kwande buna litukulya ne ligi ya arenge inyira buna goitani kigali komini go cyanyara koya maiga yegali yemwete kigasi oseme tungiye kigasi konyara kuri pokensemo ya maimayo yera kigali komiko ya ACNSMyo nabagansemeri ya siasa migi champion igagoteba naje kubakorera mange abamenye kurwa sensemo ya magenche Walter Nyambati kurase county ya Nyamira oyo kuri karukyo governor gatebe kisemina cyago kikoligereria ase county yu ayo amo na yanda mange na kuwariga ninkomanya senchira yobo ikirano retira nenkoro Vincent Onyancha. Tigotunye chaga kurwa sensemo ya gesimaimiye county ya Nyamira Thompson Mumanyu yokuriye kargo kyobo misiyo kurwa se wodi ya gesima nigatebire na chikonekia ngokini ya ramagendero ACNSMyo muri Keitom Mirded Mumanye na roboti ruwa senchira yobo ikiranu.
Abachori bo mwakoyo bono nigo bwabere irange kegima abwo ase abakobolia ebirogo ao bagendrete kogendereria iganga yabo. Oyo kobolia ekirogo kyobo MCA kurwa ewadi ya gesima Thompson Mumanyi nesokia eliokoralia ganga yae ase ekirogo ekyo abo ase arwa okugani kwa ego chiasa bamenyi
abaminto una bono gatete ko ba challenge aba buna abamoko ni chianga bono igagaiga abamoko ni electronics na batebiri na bono buango iga esemina nene taitenje mbaro seli mochora ne kigurupu monge chirita monge byongozi byino no matatu ngo baro seli ne trip mogende China, mogende Turkey. N'abantu bose bari babwato bolema. Umurobere nuri taite ko barentera abamubwato bolema. Kuba cyakirande chindani ekimoja kobekera ukinsu. Konta gitemo bekera ukinsu ange 1500. Elinde kibeke kimanu mu maenda motonara kuja kubasemi. Ensulero yabire kibese nora bantu bababwete naki ngakero mone manete na mo fight ya society lakini temine tino bolema yene mine tino mo konyara ikonta ite mweli ikeli shiri na nyanyora bugango iga koleta ndabantu chindani tuamanye na kaito kujibeka egere na ini chinsu ye mo kirenda buya liri kakiri ya kiremo kuchisamura na mo kwegoki barua ile baito bono mbali ojo chandeka asa maruira ina batebi igonta gete na tesi na yole na bekoba na beko waki amalioga ya mokolete ruga igeliyo ko mutagole tesiringi 5 kwamaja kuindere rusiringi 50 njenima atase kujikonyanyora kerumo tienyi ko babangirani no siasa yataka kosoa lakini tu atema na shetani ashindwe amalioga na nokoleta oyo gatani ni gasie county igororia onto koligeli bantu bachandegete
Chinga kiechio Mumanyi nigaru ogosaba kwae motu yo bachori bole bosyo
bali na abatebi elike bwango igango tumanda bali mbaje ko basomya iga no morobeliyo iyo omorobeliyo toli ko irageka egera muranyo chembe mwatatu muchakere nyasaba seseni nande mwake chikura asomole membu ya mono sana
Ginko reporteria egeta sen Ndizi TV elietaliane Mildred Mumanyi
Biamono Mildred Mumanyi hasorobochirwa senchira yobo ikirano bono gotigana nere Mildred Mumanyi tokumira na Brian Sagini Isena kurasensemende ase wodi ya magencha gutumanye buna migi champion naftairi migisi nigaganda tineganga yaye yogo chikere korokyo bwa misiyo korwa ACNSM yorobochirwa senchira yobo ikirano
egeti kyanya korere ewodi ya magenche ebunge ya bumachoge barabwe county ya Kisii omubigi chingero chekerero naftari migisi gose migi championi esabali yayo goikera bamenyi ba magenche nigo ya chakabene abwasaba bigi chingero bagusiba ikirana sayo abarayiboro gongo bakoragwa nugo chikori obo women rep we county ya Kisii Doris Donya Toto oyo kabero momeyo obosongo Samuel Nyangeso gati ya banda bange nigo beso kena goika sayo bunenchere yemo yo kumusira migi ya seganga yo korai ward ya magenche
migi Laki, what I can wish you, my brother, provided you believe in yourself and you believe in God. Nyasaya nero kwa ikirogo. Nyasaya hata banayo kugamba intuna tokora chikura weekend.
Migi, I wish you well. My brother, you will make it. Moga choro mogambi migi. Tobwa terane to sirane egara monyore binto biri banto bande bakonyore ekero mogambi borenka nobuya. Migi na banta wanga go ikera ne kero bogambi borenka nobuya.
Erandie na mwire asongencho magenche yaito eso kuligana dikwane na ende mwezi timolekerali magenche yaito ke maana kia mangana magagatole
Migi niga chika gocha kobeka boseganga yogo koro botakense meyo abwasate baniga gocha gokinya birengo byobogima eward ya magenche
kana muziki ngoterande ande ne sokiri nerure ekengwanso nerure bune sadake sabantu bamagenche elinde muntu megari nchegente ko kinta tekorwa nobutaka bwalire seitogaiga chayaito nerebwa nerenalia onde bwese gagotara isko gali amatenga magenche no so bomigi magenche no ebintu bire magenche no bantaba yabale
nigo bono ababolire bamenyi benseme yuwesokya naguchoko musira sobo choli bonene boguchikwariga nigo mutenyo gatano na gatatu mwako yega
magenche chimba banchito nyareti chimba bachiakorireti chimba bachiakorireti magenche egento tutagete ninki eke moni tigamba tebinkelia eke moni na kike gete nege gokwana gaiga ntome gali ndi chimba bachionsi pi na lia bantu baranyare gochabumba santo bande bakarangirani bagateranga bono mwana muziki nkaimwanya ko mwana muziki akora bantu baminto tigamba tebi abantu balingo batebinga batiga machaya nano mwana yo morocho tachetinsa kana bako bo muntu in future.
Vingo reporter ya Ndizi TV, editor ya Brian Sagini Isena.
Biamono Brian Sagini Isena hasoroboti rubono gotiganira Brian Sagini Isena we kasen semende miye county ya Nyamira oyokoliye kirokyo bo governor Walter Nyambatini gatebire buna ago chikoligeri ya mangana yichisemya se county ya Nyamira naboigo ago chikoligeri ya kerengo gyuchumi hekera nasa se county yo kaukwana ekerare ko amenyi benseme ye kyago cyako bakorera nigate na chikubwatira na kwaneki amagendera ngo ikirani wale ase county ya Nyamira.
In my manifesto, which I'm going to give today, I have a transformative program that will address the economic difficulties caused by inefficient leadership, poor implementation of the devolution agenda, corruption, among other factors ailing our country. My manifesto, which I'm giving out today, outlays on how we will do all of these other things. My good county people, I have previously been mandated by the people of Kitutu Masaba to serve them as their member of parliament. My track record speaks for itself. For instance, in education, my team give our children good education. Chisukuru cheito cha Nyamira. Nto mchingo kina onye basic basic education mchindu telebuya korunsa ya ECD ntobwate bali ntobwate virasi ndo mujyo kolege tangani no make sure ngabani baito bonds by ECD to abalikire permanent and pensionable na ndo baka na sawa stari boyingo asenge nje abana baito Eliyegere umwane kerago soma abata musingi omuya yago soma buya. Abana baito buya. I will make sure I get to work in abachumbe baito. Tuwakirie zili chisukuru buna Nyambalia is an example.
Na ubasakano umubenigo kiwa asensemo ya mtaraku asebarane kunsemo cha Nairobi go cha maimayo emambya ya lero igono inabo egali yemugeti emetungi yekigasi anyaro gutumana ne gali ende egentokera egali yokulipuka no murogo chako woka asensemo kigali kinyinge niko cyanyara ko yago itane kigali 10 ngo cyara ko ya asebaleyo asana nabo bosombi bwanyara gotenenigwa na goturubanigwa maiga yegali yo kunyara go samba kigali kinde batumike bari nigo barali tukuri tambe maiga ye bari yugo taeteka asekerenga buna kigali kinyinge nigo cyanyara ko ya emambya ya lero.
Nadu mahia matali agari mahira haro umenya ka dibikare no mwaki wa makora nako yeni kwa wako wekare kaba ekibisha kaka nini ga okuwa kwa maigo nito yana timu yore ahia ya hala mai kutuyo bina hokuwa no haji
gotigana nubasokano yonyara ko kolekana ali tukolera go ikasensemende to gotigara imeye county ya Nairobi mugavana we county ya Nairobi ani kananu ni gagandete koralia iganga yego chikolige karokyo bogavana ase county yunyira ni ganyarete koralia bagali ya Mike Mbuvi Songo oyo togete no botukano bwabisi eli ani kananu akanyara go soa ase abisi yo bono niga aguchikurwa ndrekero kyo na gati yabali beso kya seganga yogo takekero kyo bogavana meye county ya Nairobi ingamono moseneta we county Johnson Sakaja omubunge o Westlands Timothy Wanyonyi omunchorolia rijadi ngati anaboigo Bishop Margaret Wanjiru ngati ya bali bamirira amatekero kyo governor imeye county ya Nairobi.
Mimi kama mama na kama msichana wa Kimeru singependa kwenda kujipeleka pale mbele bila baraka za wazee. Nikakumbuka wale wazee wetu wale. Lazima nirudi nyumbani niwaambie mimi na mpango ya kusimama 2022. Na nikawaomba tafadhali mkuje tule pamoja munipatie baraka kama mama na kama msichana wenu nije nisimame 2022 kama governor wa Nairobi. Na wazee wa Ncheke, you have been very vocal in this country.
Na gotigara sensemo ya siasa umo bwazimio lomoja ni gobere chikambeni chiabo ase county ya Homa Bay chinga kecho mogumenrobe county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga ni garali kanga ya guchikoliye karokyo bogavana korwa ase county yo ayo kagendrete boigo mogumenrobe county ya Muranga Sabina Shege ni gabori ya menyi korwa ase county ya Homa Bay kumubwati muswati Gladys Wanga eriwo chikobo mugavana we county yo no enabo ni go chinga kecho nyara kuboli abantu bonsi koneki bunango bwatira na barasega nga yo kumurigere chikuru murewe kyamagia ODM Rodinga igate yabunaho igachikwa bwatsi bonsi yabo ogo chikosoa sobora ane Rodinga ochikobo murayo gatano asense ya Kenya sobo choribochi okolekano mutinyo gatano na gatatu mwako yegabwe chiri bubere na 2022.
Sisi tunataka maendeleo, tunataka baba kwa sababu ya baba care, kwa sababu wa mama na watoto wote watachungwa vizuri. Our young people, there is hope in baba. Our young people, there is hope in trusting Wanga will take over the leadership of this Homa Bay. Mimi na wasihi, hata kama sio wote ambao wanamsupport. Kama if you're not supporting a woman, stop talking nonsense about a woman. If you're not supporting her, wacha sasa sisi wote tutashindana na ideas sio matusi. And I know, Homa Bay people, once you trust Mama Gladys Wanga, Homa Bay will never be the same again. The life of our women will not be the same again. The life of our young children will not be the same again. The life of our elderly persons will not be the same again. Wangapi wata support Gladys Wanga? Mimi nataka kuambia wale ambao wanatoa porojo, we are not interested in rigging because Baba is people's project. and he's going to be the people's president. Wagoje tu tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8, Baba will be there. Baba will be there 5th, sindio? Nionyesheni kwa mkono kama mtatokea nyinyi wote.
Gotigana nayo aborokia bali bakwegeria obunyagitari ya University ya Moi niko bayikomwerio asomo global ko kolekana gwetani mitienye bere bono maga yugo tora chinkwana na University ya Moi abago ne kyombe kirgeteneta abateresa KMPDU niko bayikero kuigwana wokwirana asemiremo yabo na nabo niko bari bakwemurunganiria asogotakanwa engeri yabo yaberege kunyurwa chingaki nabo gogwikira bono asebatero gwetani mitinye 5 ne tatombanya wakanwa engeri yabo niko chinga kiechu bate ambachikwira ne birasime asino nabo bate biru nago ikabore chibesa chibenge chiabo ryo mayikwira na ibirasime.
And I'm very happy that all of us today were in total agreement that peace and stability can be restored with immediate effect, and from now henceforth there will be communication, there will be dialogue, and we shall always amicably and collaboratively find solutions to issues that may emanate in the course of our work at the university.
And we have managed to resolve the issue at hand, which was largely the arrears that were pending for the lecturers, the 8 months arrears that were there.
The enhanced arrears for the doctor lecturers will be paid immediately. The other thing is that all the salaries that were withheld in the month of December and January will be paid immediately. Then all the disciplinary proceedings that the university had instituted against the lecturers and against the union officials will be withdrawn immediately.
The doctors also have bank loans which were also not remitted, so we are very pleased that these aspects were captured in the return to work formula.
Mgomo huu tumeufunga, lakini tunangoja hizo pesa zionekane kwenye account kwanza, alafu wa madaktari wetu waanze kazi.
Nagotigana nayo mugimenrebwe county ya Laikipia Keti wa Ruguru niko bona mochiri murebwenso muskuru Kenyatta seganga ya yokogania komoko boko na kumutiotereria omurebwe kyamage odemerero dinga kuchikosose nyomba yobara naso kumwakira koko aseganga yokonyara chikura buno murebwensa sobo chori yobonne bogo chikokolekana omutinyo gatano na gatatu omwako yega wa Ruguru ni gate birebuna omurebwe kyamage odemerero dinga ikabwente goika aseke gambero nakugambigwa asiganga buna sobo choryo bonne bwa etete ni ganyarete wetiani yabuno omuraibwa bwantogose people's president aria sensemo ya Nairobi egentagote yabuna nokogenda maminchane kyombekali kyobo chorne chimbe ba IBC ekenya tokoralia omubuyibwe chikura secondary hachete bosyo na wetiania igate yabuna ekiteregetambukere kiyo muraibwensa imukirie asoko mwako boko umuntu bwetiani tikoba omurai maigaye kyombe kyobo chorne chimbe koralia umuntu mungabuna nero omuraibwense nabo ni gate yabuna chinga kichiga igo omurayi obwente gochorwa abantu gotwara chimbwa chingiya nabo niga amomochi arairodinga nagote yabuna sobo choryo bonne bojo kolekana omutinyo gatana tato laise kububuno aise kubuchikura na William Ruto nabo atachugwanchirana amachibwayo.
Raila Odinga has a big case in matters to do with treason when he went ahead to swear in himself, led by MP Kajwang, TJ Kajwang, and Miguna, who is still in exile today. I only have a problem with President Kenyatta taking somebody who has committed treasonable crime and pulling him and further going ahead to endorse him as a presidential candidate. President, as a symbol of national unity, he is promoting a culture of vandalism, a culture that does not respect the constitution, a culture that would only tell from MCAs all the way to president, you should not accept IEBC results. Raila declined to accept IEBC results for the first time and went ahead to challenge uchaguzi kule kwa IEBC. He went to Supreme Court and we did a repeat election. What transpired and what happened? How did President Kenyatta manage to forgive Raila Odinga? Ati salamu ya handshake ndio ilikuwa salamu ya kusamehea crimes ambazo ndani ya katiba they are treasonable. Raila Odinga should first go to Kenyan courts and be tried, and he cleans his name before he is brought to Mount Kenya. This man who stopped and paralyzed business at Nairobi CBD and even parts of Kenya, he is the face of a political instability in this country. In an instance where William Ruto will beat Raila Odinga hands down, as much as he is a state project, I want to categorically state, I know Raila Odinga will not accept matokeo. And that is why you hear people like my good friend Sabina Chege trying to allude that it is in the culture of IEBC to steal votes for a certain favorable candidate.
Go tigana na yo siasa go ikansemo oye kanisa ni gobare ibechi kanisa inse iyo mwaburi yo National Churches Council of Kenya NCCK banyareba kuburi yabare bonso bari bakurige biro bya siasa kone kibuna nkorali baro murembe ngakiri bochori bogendrete ko aliganiwe kyombe kyoni ugyate buruna jinga kiyekiga chinkwana korwa sabare batagete birugo nasho kinanyare gotora no murembe gosokoleto murembe imeyense ni government rote yabune kine kinga kibono murembe bwente kone kiwa chinsemo chonsi.
We want to urge all presidential candidates to know that, as the Bible says, the power of the tongue is a small organ in the body, but it can set this country on fire. So we'll urge them to exercise caution when they speak, so that they speak words that are going to bring the country together and not to put it words that are going to bring the country together and not to put it asunder.
Ayo na ya siasa na bigensemo ye kanisa gotigana na yumo njumu ligeri ntete nkoire goikase kerengo kenda chikuligeri ya mangana ye chigosori anene ansemeli ya Nyanza Regional League ibono yabakyo guchaka asiganga yokomene chitimu ili tuko oli lero timu ya Ichuni FC niganyara kwaliganirwa na Kikao FC abwase gosori yanyara kugosori gwa asegeti kiagatembe nigo chinga kiche timu ya Ichuni FC yanyara kora chigoli sato egolem timu ya Kikao FC nyora Kikao FC nganere ntunda yabe ntangani goswako gosoria nsemeli ya Regional League igo yabereka gosoria asensemo ya County League nabo Ichuni FC na ubanyarite bakwa abanyankongo asege kombe kia matoke Memorial Cup ikiandike gosori gwa asegeti kia Nyantrago Green Stadium omwako eta nigo ditukolera boyiko banyara kuba ikora Kikao FC chigoli sato asegoli eyemo.
Twakiro mupira umiyana ande twawokera kwenye result hiyo 3-1 taliembe and we expect good results as coming from next week. Keep following us. Twawokera sana so mupira urengere. Ende season hiyo kwenye kutoka Katore County League players mbaro twaoniriko team chindi na Shabana na Gusi FC. Wiki gana chigo cha bakabla transfer season etrahera ninganyere tiko sign new players. Ngare tiko meketiko skiane kebe na keriki mara Ichuni babero roba kino no mupira mo kabere bawaka ninde shwa kuchakira next weekend much more results ingia ku Kikao Sports Club.
Tugwate timu yetu kwa Ichuni combined ene round ya kabere gusirikia sa regionals na karatuwa cha tu planti a win from away nani nyasa kwa dege tekija otogwereire ijapokuwa challenges chaba igana hali na tuacha kwa swa ile pindi ya kabere pindi katakani bya mrabachi asa ijapokuwa dende challenges watu ara pindi ya kabere
Njasa Marieta Angolo kwa Anthony Ongeri kapteni ya timu Ichuni wake asante sana so kwa chikoli sata sehemu otherwise timu Ichuni na bantu tuwe sukuma sana kenekera ke go train liga sabakuga mono so wakiro ya sana se Ndizi TV aso go ja pia ko bwati chikoso geje pakigetie kikiage tembe otherwise twaro denga Ndizi TV nere mutwe nere ra nyale go support talent ya gechega igewe nyale kubwato mupiro egere abana bake bari bara bake banyara go improve
bamura bane mbakabuya asa Marieta Angolo kugiresi gesare ko rubogete bamura be timu ya Ichuni ba ko mupiro muya ibo se mereti ba ko mupiro muyo morora bamura bane ba Ichuni ba wa ko mupiro motoere boyiko timu iri bari go chiesa nero ekwane ba ko mupiro motoere na Ichuni to yakabuya
Munchumulgeri nyironse yangu etera Ndizi TV wansubu mugusibu no utambe tubwati gotera nsemo ye mtandao ya nsemo ya Facebook tunarabuna Ndizi TV News na bigansemeli ya YouTube na bwatnerabuna Ndizi TV News wikaragabwa asensemo ye chikosori une timu ya Ichuni FC ose combined wanyara kubaikora timu ya Kika FC chigolisa to aseye maseke minano Kenyanza Regional League nongo ikomoro mangana ya century yoboikiranu Chinsa Isato chia bono butuko wali bonse wabwatira nasemesa ya mangana yako yarigania na boigona yo muligereria asogotera ko yatengera kuri Ndizi TV ngo wakirambi ya mono nyira ankia karo kwa bokirana nyasaye umera na Brighton Makori na boigona saranya rankirita baraza asomurobelio ubwensake muna butambe Amayia yemesa ya mangana ya akobekera bamenyukuru ase akose kuri nsemo ya nyatie ko tiganya kiro musubali ya bugenda gotengera Ndizi TV obwansubo mu gusiritirana enkoro ko Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikiru ndekerene nagokurentera chibiche chinkia naboigo chinkeno nukukigima nabogotonyora asorogonko bwogusi neji county chito etanaine buna county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechisemo chinde chinyinge nigo gotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 go to